Hey guys, it's your girl Yinka. The first project that I will be sharing today is in my condo. So I currently live in a 2-bed, 2.5-bath condo, and I'm going to be doing a few renovations. Since I first moved in here, I've only made a few minor renovations, like, painting things and changing a few fixtures. And I'll go over, I guess, what I've done with you guys in another video, but let's get straight to this video. So for today's video, I'll be showing you guys how I upgrade my old, ugly, dusty, and rusty electric baseboard heaters. These things have been such an eyesore, and I was trying to find different ways to either like convert them into something else or change them, but I realized with the way that my condo is set up, having the baseboard heaters is actually really helpful. So I currently have 3 sets of baseboard heaters, but today we're just going to be focusing on 2. So the first baseboard heater is in my living room, and the second one is downstairs in my entryway. So let's get started. I actually ended up ordering, after doing some research online, I ended up ordering baseboard heater covers from a brand called Vent and Cover. So I pretty much took the measurements of my baseboard heaters and also took into account what size would show. So I ended up ordering one 4-foot length cover, and then I ordered an 8-foot baseboard cover. So I'll show you guys what that looks like. And first we're gonna start with wiping down the baseboards, and then I will unbox and show you guys how to install. So the heater cover came in a long box from FedEx, and it was pretty much taller than me, definitely over 6 feet, but everything comes individually wrapped in plastic and also styrofoam, and it's quite easy and very lightweight. So pick up your piece, and it literally just latches right over your existing baseboard heater. Really simple, really easy. And you just want to slide it over to make sure it reaches the very end and it's even on both sides. And as you can see here at the very end, just to give you guys a close-up, there's little hooks at the edge of the end, and it slides right through the bottom and hooks to latch on to the end and close your baseboard heater. And I found that it was easier to actually attach it first, but any way you decide to do it, you'll find how it works for you. And now it's time to put the end cap on the other side. And again, it was definitely easier to put the end cap on first versus putting it on after, but just for demonstrative purposes, I wanted to show you guys what both end caps look like and how it is really easy to just hook it underneath and at the top and slide it right through. Guys, look at my upgraded baseboard heater. Boom. And it actually ended up being way more easier to install than I planned. But here's a little tip, guys. So like I mentioned, when you install the end caps first before putting it on your existing baseboard heater, and then you also kind of have to snap it into the little gap in between the wall and your baseboard heater. And let me show you guys what I mean. Really, you want it to hook in between the gap between your wall and your baseboard heater, because that's what's gonna hook this in place. So let me show you guys. You want to just so look, you want it to hook in between the gap between your wall and your baseboard heater, and that'll literally keep it intact and not moving. So you know, I'm happy this is happening. You guys are seeing everything. And then depending on the gap space you have, you just hook. It's kind of hard to do this with one hand. It's why I prefer to hook it before snapping it, but I just wanted to show you guys how it needs to snap in there to be secure and steady. And the end literally hooks on the side. Really, really easy. So it's just the other side I have to. So after doing the baseboard upstairs, I find it easier to attach one side first. So I'm gonna do that now and show you guys what I mean. So pretty much you wanna align the L-shaped end to this. And pretty much you're just going to, like so. And boom, it was that easy. That's it for today's video, showing you guys how I upgraded my ugly, dusty, crusty electric baseboard heaters without even painting or anything. So I'm really satisfied with the final product. It was easy to install, and I'll definitely be sure to include the link so you can check out their amazing products. Thank you for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe and stay tuned for the next project. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.